SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to disable JavaScript on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're having some trouble with some of the websites that you visit in Safari, then you might try a few different troubleshooting options. One of these options involves disabling JavaScript. So if you want to turn off JavaScript in Safari on your iPhone, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the Safari option. You can then scroll to the bottom of this menu and select Advanced. And now you just need to tap the button to the right of JavaScript to turn it off. Note that this is going to affect the way that many websites behave. So if you find that you're not able to use a website properly or it's not working the way that you would like it to, then you may need to come back and turn JavaScript back on.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.